Hey Kim, just wanted to send this over to you real quick, showing you what I found on your website and some of the SEO that's been going on, what you guys need to do, and just some other things that I found. Um, you've got a great looking website. I love the colors, a lot of things going on. It might be a little bit busy, but overall, I think it's really good. One thing down here at the bottom, I would say um, your footer is um, a little bit long for some reason. And I think it's because they put this contact us form in there, right there. But anyway, that's just kind of a thing. But looking at the content, I preach this all the time. Content's king on your website. It's got to be keyword rich. It's got to be, 1,500 words minimum. And you guys just don't have enough content, the right kind of content on there. Looking at just some of the search things going on. So I put in Bentonville homes for sale. You've got NWA Realtors running some ads. You've got Zillow. You've got Realtor.com, of course. It's got a Remax office up there. Looking at Centerton, similar thing. You got Zillow, Realtor.com, Trulia, and you got the Remax office and RedfinHomes.com. So not a whole lot of local going on. Bella Vista, similar thing. Zillow, Realtor.com, the Remax office, Trulia, and such. So similar thing across the board. Just want to show a couple of things on the keyword search. So because that's what it's really all about. If I've got you guys pulled up right here and I'm showing all your keywords, uh, you guys are just dominating on anything 1%, which is nice. If someone's searching for that, you guys are pulling up pretty high. You're kind of getting down into the 5 or 6 on some of this, but you're in the right direction. You've got quite a bit of competition, and to be where you are for that term is really great. What I don't see is, so I put it over here, it's got to contain Fayetteville, Rogers, Springdale, or Bentonville. Um, Here, I'm just going to back this off real quick. Apply, show the results. You've got towns near Fayetteville, cities near Fayetteville, Fayetteville skyline. Nothing for like homes in Fayetteville. You do have real estate agents in Fayetteville. You're in 92nd position. Nobody's ever going to find you there. Real estate agents Fayetteville AR, you're in 80th position. So there's definitely some work to go on there. If I look at the keywords for, to say, Bella Vista, see what pops up there where you guys are on keywords. You got no keywords for Bella Vista. Looking at Bentonville, your video is going to be a little bit longer here. Show results. 142 keywords for Bentonville. Looks like Bentonville, Alabama on some of them. Things to do in Bentonville. Top things to do in Bentonville, Arkansas. Again, I'm looking for, hey, real estate agents in Bentonville or homes for sale in Bentonville, and I'm just not seeing those types of keywords on your site that Google's pulling up. Let's see. Yeah, just not finding anything related to, homes in Bentonville or things for sale. So that's definitely something that you want to get corrected. You got to get some content on your site that is targeting some of these keywords. Now, those keywords for Bentonville are going to be really tough. Rogers, same thing. Fayetteville, same thing. So I just put in Zillow's Bentonville listing or their URL. You can see houses for sale, Bentonville, Arkansas, they're #1. Homes for sale, Bentonville, #1. But I do want you to look at this, like this keyword difficulty at 24, just boom, all the way down. 23, 24, 24, 24. There's a 10 for Realtor, Bentonville, AR, but only searches 300 a month. Still good. But definitely going to be really, really tough and a long effort to go after that. Looking at Centerton. So this is where you start to see, like, all right, I'm going out to these smaller towns. Maybe they're not, the big four, but still have some pretty good search volume. 350 houses for sale, Centerton, Arkansas. It's a 3 on the difficulty. That's what I like to see. Low difficulty, higher volume, homes for sale, Centerton, Arkansas. This would be a keyword I would go after. So I'd create a page, that was just specific to Centerton and get some content on there for Centerton. Looking at Bella Vista, similar thing, a little bit higher on the keyword difficulty, but it doesn't scare me off. Homes for sale, Bella Vista, 9, 10, keyword difficulty, quite a bit of volume, 2,300 people searching a month for homes for sale in Bella Vista, Arkansas. It's crazy. Another 1,000 for Bella Vista AR homes for sale. And so good volume on some of these smaller towns. That's what I would target. We talked about that before. Pea Ridge, Bella Vista, Centerton, some of these outliers, even as far down Farmington, those kind of things. So that's where I would go as far as like looking to dominate on an SEO effort. Right now, there's just so much competition for Bentonville, Rogers, and such. So I could probably back this out and show you what there it is for Rogers. A little bit better on Rogers. It's a 15. There's a couple of those are homes for rent, apartments, homes for rent, homes for sale on Rogers. Yeah, pretty much a 15 on that. So again, it's great to create content for around those things. I'd get some content on your website for those. You're going to have to put that over in where you have these listings, and you're going to create some more pages for Centerton and such. But having this pull up and then have that content probably down below this before you get to your contact us page, or working that in and around that. That's what I would do. Competitors, we looked at that. You're competing against these big guys right here. So they're going after the big cities. They're not going after the smaller cities right now. So that's what I would do from a plan of attack, and I can put together some more information on what that would take if that's what you want to do. So just let me know. Thanks.